Hey everybody, this is my first video on my YouTube channel, intro for me playing Summer's War. It's basically just going to be a bunch of random mojo stuff that can hopefully help in your Summer's War playing Bonanza. Yeah, it's going to be super fun. I think, let's see. What would be a good goal, like an end goal for this account? I don't know. I'm trying to figure. Okay, you know what? If anybody watches this video, leave a comment. Leave a comment in the comment section saying interesting things you'd like to see, like me to do. Goals for I don't know. Yeah, just things you'd like to see. Thank you for watching. I'll come out with more. Thanks.